A mobile hotspot turns your smartphone or a dedicated device into a portable internet access point by sharing its cellular data connection. This is achieved through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering. Tethering is the act of connecting your devices to this hotspot. The access point name, APN, is a crucial setting that tells your mobile network how to connect, including gateway and authentication details. Most devices configure this automatically, but manual adjustments might be needed for troubleshooting. Currently, in 2025, widespread 5G adoption has led to faster speeds, reaching up to 1 to 10 Gbps in urban areas. However, coverage gaps, especially in rural areas where 4G LTE remains dominant, are still a challenge. Carriers typically limit the number of devices you can connect to a mobile hotspot, usually ranging from 5 to 15. They also impose data caps, often between 10 to 50 gigabytes per month, and may throttle speeds once you exceed these limits. Carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile now offer unlimited data plans for hotspots, although deprioritization during network congestion is common. Security enhancements have also evolved, with features like built-in VPN options and biometric authentication becoming standard. Dedicated hotspot devices, such as the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S, support advanced technologies like 5G mmWave and Wi-Fi 7 with extended battery life. Always remember to manage your hotspot settings for security, using strong WPA2 encryption to protect your connection. Keep in mind that regulatory hurdles and privacy concerns remain ongoing challenges for mobile hotspot technology.